Is your name Maggie?
Yeah.
I hear you're a huge fan of the channel. Let's talk about this. So this is a setup.
Please don't.
Her dad came and said, hey, my daughter Maggie's a real big fan of the channel. Will you come interview her?
Oh my gosh.
So anyway, you'll probably hate me even more now.
That's my mom. She's the real movie star.
All right, so this is Maggie's mom, and Maggie's dad said, "Would you go interview my daughter? She really, really loves the channel."
Yeah.
So anyway, all right, Maggie.
You can at least tell him what you did.
Yeah, she said she helped. You want to come tell me some stuff? Come on,
Yeah, come on, Maggie,
come
you
on.
got this. You got it.
Come on.
So basically all I did was I glued the shingles on.
You glued the shingles on.
Well, and you cut them out, and you made
The cricket cut it out.
well,
What kind of glue did you glue them on with? Like white glue?
yeah.
Elmer's glue?
I think that's what it was.
Yeah, but he mixed it with. There he
What
is.
did you mix that with? What did you
What
mix
kind of glue is that?
Yeah.
Was this the right person?
Yes, that was.
That's her? All right, all right. So anyway, come on, Maggie.
Come on, you
I
got
want to know, is this what your house looks like?
I wish. I mean,
Because that is nice. I'd kind of like my house to look like that too.
yeah.
What did I mix? What now?
She was telling us that she glued the shingles.
She glued the shingles. Is that all you did to it?
Look at this, Daddy. This is
Yeah,
like
he
a
deserves the credit, not me.
He just, he did it.
I made the flowers.
She helped.
So that's,
She did do
yeah,
the
I made the
flowers.
flowers.
And she made the
so
flowers.
I think that's
Well, that's cool. It's like a family little home right there. Who built the cars? Dad?
Oh yeah.
I knew that.
Oh
What do you call
yeah.
that stuff? Mod Podge?
Mod Podge, yeah, yeah.
That's what we
It's like thick Elmer's glue, basically, yeah. But anyway, thank you, Maggie. Did you do the? How did you do like the siding? Is that
This is that green foam board insulation.
you cut them things out? Those little, all the little.
Take a razor knife and
Are
sit
you
there and make
kidding
all
me?
the little slices and take a little flat screwdriver blade and run through them and then paint it. It's that simple.
Wow, I gotta put my glasses on. You did that, holy cow, that's insane. So he cut all these little, dang, that is insane, man. I hadn't even looked at the cars because it's like the dioramas are so cool. Did you get this stuff at like Hobby Lobby, some of it?
The scratch built.
Scratch build it.
It's all foam board.
Okay.
It's that green foam board
Yeah, yeah.
insulation. The steps, all that.
Okay, yeah, I
That's
can
a
see right
block
here.
of Foam.
Wow, man. That is insane.
Scratch built the doors.
Yeah, scratch built the doors out of wood. And
It even has a bathroom.
the lights are those little lights that you can buy at Hobby Lobby that
Yeah.
are on a post.
Yeah, okay. You took
And
them
we
off
just
the post.
broke the posts off the bottom of them and glued them to the side.
Really? That is so neat, man. What a great job.
You haven't really built anything new other than 55s.
So I didn't tell her if we got later. And she pulls out.
I did not say that.
It was bad the whole time. Every time I had.
Could we have all the judges to come up to the registration table, please, immediately, if not sooner? We'd appreciate it. Thank you so much.
People work really hard on these.
What about the table?
Excuse me, is Dennis in the house? Dennis? Okay.
You're a movie star now, Maggie.
Dad's fault. I might just have to do the video just by itself with Maggie. Let her open up the video.
Go ahead.
Just give her the,
Dad, do you give me permission?
give her the, yes. give her
Okay,
the-
I got it on camera. Okay.
I'm sorry, Maggie. I didn't do this.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's yeah, model car videos. Yeah,
All
simple.
our video. And
Okay.
You wanna look at
Oh,
videos of model
one.
cars, yeah.
Okay, is that MCV that you're looking at? Okay.
But I've been over there 4 times already
Okay,
and bought
all
stuff.
Luke
He's the
sees
one
that. What
with
did
all
I
the
think of
3D
that?
printer stuff.
Do what?
You got the 3D?
Yeah.
Yeah, I walked by him and looked at his stuff.
Yeah, I've been over there 4 times already. Told Bruno I seen his site last night. I said, I gotta get off of this. I'm gonna be broke.
Oh my
But we
goodness.
even brought it because we didn't know if he was bringing it.
Wow, that stuff's so cool, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate it.
What's your name?
Boone Blankenship.
Boone Blankenship,
James
James
Smith.
Smith.
James Smith, and y'all are the culprits except
Yeah.
Maggie helped glue on the shingles.
Maggie helped with the house.
Maggie helped glue the shingles on over there with some kind of mixed up glue that you made. So yeah, anyway, cool stuff. I think this would be a video to itself, yeah. And it was all because your dad came and said, would you do me a favor? So anyway, Maggie, I appreciate you. Thank you.